Hello my friends, welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Today I'm coming at you from the beach here in San Diego. Yeah, this is a Silver Strand State Beach, just north of Imperial Beach, California, and just south of Coronado. It's kind of in between. And what a beautiful day it is here today. The reason that I'm here is for motorcycles. We got a motorcycle event going on here today, and it is I forget what they call it, but it's like a police motorcycle rodeo. They're going to be doing events here, doing skill riding and that sort of stuff. So I am going to do my best to get us some interesting shots of them doing this awesome riding here in the parking lot here at Silver Strand State Beach. Beautiful, beautiful day. The beach is really not one of my things. I'm not really into the ocean, any of that sort of stuff, but what a nice day to be here. So with all that being said, looks like they're taking a break. We just got here. Myself and the trophy wife just got here, so once they start getting going on these motorcycle rides, I'm going to get some footage and we'll see how it turns out. Got lots of different police bikes here. The Harleys and the BMWs. And we got Chopper the dog here again. He's just getting around everywhere. I gotta say it's a little unnerving being around here. Even if you're not breaking the law, you just see all the police and you kind of get a little bit, like, oh, what am I doing wrong? But it's not like that here at all. Everyone's friendly. This is supposed to be a pretty fun day, so we'll see how it turns out. I did run into my friend, and he's riding, he said, in about 30 minutes, so hopefully we get to see him. Here's a Honda police bike, which is the first one I've noticed here. It looks like we're mostly BMWs. Man, these are some nice machines. I've always kept an eye out for some used ones because they sell pretty cheap. They put a lot of miles on them. And I had a Kawasaki KZ1000P for a little bit that I actually got for free. And I've always thought that would be a really cool, cheap cruiser bike. I gave it to a friend of mine, and he never really finished fixing it up. So it ended up moving on after that. But I'm gonna keep my eye open. Someday I'm gonna find a good deal on one of these BMWs and try them out. So we got here just at the wrong time. They're taking a break, so we can do a little bit of walking around, and then hopefully they'll be ready to start here in a little bit and get a snack and eat some food and check out the beach. But can't beat it. Nice day to be here. guys can ride. And of course, right after I said that, this guy put it down. This is a slow competition, so you can get through this the slowest over there. Now we got a multiple bike.
Ya perdió. Esos son puntos malos.
My buddy who's riding this is motorcycle number 20. So 11's out there now. So just waiting to see him ride. Hopefully he does really good. I guess he did a team event earlier today and they did really well. I'll have to wait till the end of the day, hear from him how he did overall. This is pretty cool. These guys got some amazing talent. All right, my buddy is up next. I've been watching a few of these guys, and most of them are in about the 100 and some second. And this guy right now who's up is at 110. So like the quickest guys are 90 seconds something. This is my buddy right here, Lauren. So let's see how he does. 94.411 seconds. Nice job. That's awesome. All right. Well, it's been a hell of a nice day here. Let's bring it on home. I had a pretty good time out there at the motorcycle rodeo. My buddy probably ended up in about 5th or 6th place, I guess he said. I talked to him a little bit after he ran, and there was a couple people who were just a second or two faster than he was, but he put down a pretty good time. And he's retiring in December from the police force, so I guess that's a pretty good way to go. It would be nice if he would have won it, of course, but it was awesome. I got to go out and see him ride. And I think that's going to be about it for today in Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. So get out there and find your adventure. Adios.